Hi, I'm gonna show you how to hack Windows 2000 using Kali Linux. First of all, we need to make sure our Windows 2000 machine is turned on. So this is my Windows 2000 machine. I'm gonna head over to my Kali now. So I'm gonna assume I don't know the IP address of the Windows machine. First of all, let's find the IP address. In order to do that, I'm gonna use sendmap, and I'm going to paste my IP address as the target. So to find my IP address, go to the terminal. I can use ifconfig, and this is my IP address. I'm gonna copy it and paste it here, and I'm going to add an asterisk over here to scan the whole network. And I'm gonna set the profile to quick scan and scan it. So as you can see, we got some results, and this will be a Microsoft Windows 2000 machine's IP address. I'm gonna copy it, paste it as the target, then set the profile as intent scan, and then scan it. Okay, we got some results, and it's showing some open ports, and shows that it's running Windows 2000. Right. As the next step, we have to find some vulnerabilities in this machine. So I'm going to use this IP address and use the vulnerability scanner called Nessus. To do that, I'm gonna start the Nessus software. It's alright running. Then I'm heading over to my Firefox to Nessus. I'm going to sign in. New scan, advanced scan, and I'm going to name this as Windows 2000. And I'm going to paste my target over here. Click on save. Okay, so this is a new scan. So I'm going to launch it. Okay, so this will take some time to scan and give some vulnerabilities. So I've done the same scan previously. I'm heading over to that. Okay, this is what we get. Show some vulnerabilities. I'm heading over to the vulnerability section, and inside this, and here we go. We got some critical vulnerabilities, highs, and some mediums. I'm going to select the first vulnerability. It's a buffer overrun, and what we need from here is the MSFT, which is this. I'm gonna copy it. Alright, so what's left is to exploit this vulnerability. To exploit, I'm gonna use MSF console. I'm going to head over to my terminal, clear this out. I'm gonna type MSF console. Okay. Okay, we got in. Okay, now I'm going to use the search command, and I'm going to paste the MSFT. Hit enter, and we got a path. I'm going to copy this path, then use the use command, use, and paste the path. Alright, so what what's left is to exploit. So we have to specify the target address and the ports. So I'm going to use show option command. Alright, so this shows that there's no target address as default, and it shows that 135 is the default port. So I'm going to set my target address, which is my Windows 2000 IP address. I'm going to set it by set rhosts 92.168.74.136. Click on enter. Alright, so just to confirm, I'm gonna use the same show option command again, and now we have to exploit this. So just type in exploit, click on enter. So one session was open and we got the interpreter. Basically we are inside the system right now. So let's search for the help command. Okay, this is what we can do inside this system. Let's assume we need the shell to perform something. So I'm going to get the shell, execute. Alright, we got the shell, and we are inside the system32 folder right now. Okay, let's try exploiting this. I'm gonna copy this MSFT, and then I'm going to go to my MSF console and then search, and we found one exploit. So I'm gonna copy this as use. I'm gonna paste this, and I'm going to view my options. Okay, so as you can see, I have previously set this rhost to my target address, so I'm just going to exploit it. Exploit, and then it's done. Exploit was good. Okay, let's try out this vulnerability. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to start my MSF console. Search and paste it over here, and we got one result. So I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to use paste it. Okay, and so I'm going to set my rhosts to 192.168.74.36. I'm going to view my options. Okay, so now I'm going to use run command. Alright, let's do it again. Okay, so wasn't successful.